Good morning, y'all. Yo, I'm hyped today, man. I never been so hyped to get some snow tires ever in my life. So we going to the shop right now to get some snow tires. Y'all see we in a jelly cap. Let me give y'all a quick little cold start. Ooh. Yo, I am not ready for this New York winter, y'all. It's too cold for me. Give y'all a quick. Oh, duh, left my door open. All right, here we go, man. Quick start. Early Sunday morning. Some people probably gonna be mad. I'm not even gonna lie, but I don't care. That joint sounded crazy. Go get these winter tires put on. We're gonna see how these joints look. Woo. All right, so car nice and warmed up, y'all. By the way, the PS5 giveaway is live already, y'all. So if y'all haven't went and checked that video out, make sure y'all go check that video out for the PS5. Like, comment, subscribe, and share that video so that we can get to 5K by Christmas, so I could get that PS5 away, y'all. So make sure y'all go watch that video. I'm gonna put the link up above in this video so y'all could go watch it. But we headed to the shop right now to go get these winter tires put on, man. So like I said, I haven't been more hyped ever in my life to get winter tires. So plus I'm gonna show y'all my two front tires are completely gone. So which is weird because I would expect the back ones to go before the front, but I think it's because I was burning up the ones that are on the front. When they were on the back, I was burning those up pretty bad. So before I got them rotated, but I don't know. It's weird how they wore. I'll show y'all when we get to the spot, but it's weird how they wore on the inside of the tire instead of the outside. Like the outside of the tire still has tread, but the inside is like completely gone. Got some of that wet traction today. Nothing but rain. I know a lot of people had hit me up and asked me how I drive in the rain and stuff because of the snorkels and the hood and stuff. For some reason, every day I get home and I look at it, I open the hood, there's no rain in there. There might be a couple little drops of water, but from like a pouring day, it doesn't for some reason there's not a lot of rain that goes through those little two snorkels. I think it's just how the hood design, it keeps the water from going in, especially if it's like already on the hood. Oh, got a little sideways there for y'all. And that's in eco mode too, that's crazy. I didn't think it would get sideways like that in eco. Boy, that wet. That rain, boy, never. My tire's already bad as is. Getting little back pops. I can't wait to get my my cat delete, man. I can't wait to see how that sound with the cat delete. Just to give y'all a quick update, right? That PlayStation video had like 600 views, I think, and only 130 comments. So that goes to show y'all a lot of people don't watch the video and actually listen to the video because you need to comment in order to win. If you don't comment, you're not winning. So make sure y'all comment on that video, on the PS5 video. Go like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you already subscribed, you don't have to. If you already subscribed, all you need to do is comment and you good. My God. This little truck next to me was going crazy too. Oh my God. No traction, bro. And that's like not even full throttle. That's not even half throttle, y'all. On these stock Pirellis. telling y'all, this colder weather, bro, the car drives so much different. But we almost hit the shop, man. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get close to the shop. I'm turning the camera off for now. We'll flip it back on once we get to the shop, y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. Y'all know I gotta do it one time for the one time real quick. Sorry if y'all hear a bunch of train noise. For the one time, hold on. I'm gonna really turn the camera off this time, but until I see y'all at the shop. My fault, man. Hold on, we got one more tunnel. One more tunnel. Woo! This car is too much, man. This car is too much. Yeah, I don't play no games, man. I be driving my car, bruh. I don't play no games with it. I respect the power though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I know my limits for sure. That's why I keep my traction in street right now. I ain't graduate up to sport yet in traction, because that joint get a little loose, a little more sideways in sport. But make sure, man, if y'all in my city, man, make sure y'all come check out Lifeline Automotive, man. They got some good winter tires, some used ones. The ones I'm getting are Blizzaks. They look like they were barely driven on, bro. Like the tires look great. These same tires would have cost me like brand new, like $1,700, and I was like, nah, I'm not doing that. Even though Blizzaks are good, I'm not paying $1,700 for tires though. They could, no sir, not doing that. I ain't even know where to park in this joint. I'm gonna just park right here by this pool. Alright, we here, y'all. Got this GoPro. We gonna be good. I usually use my phone, but I didn't feel like carrying my phone today. The phone be getting kind of heavy sometimes, so let's hop out. Let's go check these tires out real quick, y'all. Oh, matter of fact, yeah, let me show y'all this, right? Let me show y'all this before I go all the way in. Show y'all how bad my front tire is, because it's bad. So check this out. Well, y'all can't see it now because it's a little bit of, but look, there's tread here, nothing here. This is all, look, you can even see thread showing. And it's only on this tire. This tire's bad too. This tire's bad too, but it's not as bad as that one over there. Like this one, you can't see any wire or anything yet, but it's just as bad. Back tires got a little bit of thread left. Obviously, y'all see the tires once you get them put on, but let me go show y'all these tires real quick. Oh, this mask should be killing me. I be forgetting. You gotta have your mask. Gotta keep going back and forth to the car to get the mask. Damn. Boy, in the world of Corona, man, gotta remember to keep your mask, baby. He got a lot back here too, man, so make sure I come check him out. I can't remember where they were at. I think they back here. He got so many. Some good ones right there. No, I need the big boys though. All right. 275, 45, 20 right here. So look at these. Look how much tread is on these. These are good. Look at that. Look how thick those are. So these are all good ones right here. 275, 45, 20 is the smallest you could go on that 20 by 11 tire. So you're gonna be stretching it just a little bit because those are 10.8. The rim is 11. So you're gonna be stretching them a little bit. But in the snow, slower speeds and stuff like that, you'll be good. So those are the tires we're gonna put on. Those are Blizzaks. We're gonna go put those on. We're gonna have them put those on for us real quick. And this would be great because this will be the first time I could hear the car start up and running without me being inside of it. All right, let's go in. Told you I wasn't playing, man. I was gonna put the winters on.
I'm about to put snow tires on a Hellcat. Yes, this is about to happen. Yo,
Yeah.
mind if I take a picture of your car?
Yeah, come on. Yeah.
My buddy has a scat pack one.
What color is
It's
it?
supposed to be here, white. But let me call a dumbass right now. He's supposed to be here. I'm supposed to put tires on it this morning.
Oh, on the scat pad?
Yeah. That thing's beautiful.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
You know, Ramik, you're never gonna fucking believe it.
Ramik Hill?
I got an SRT. I got, what is this one? And a Hellcat here. I'm about to put 4 snow tires on a Hellcat. Yeah. Are you coming
Yes,
here?
sir.
You come here. I'm doing it right now. I'm about to pull it in 5 minutes.
Yeah, he's putting snows on today. He's putting Blizzaks on. Is his name Ramik Hill?
Yes.
Yeah, he
You know Ramik Hill?
followed me on YouTube.
Oh, you said you follow him on YouTube.
He followed me on YouTube, yeah.
Yes, the purple one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
All right,
dope.
Come through. I'll see you in a minute.
That's crazy. Everybody be thinking I be playing about putting the winter tires on the Hellcat. Bro, it's not gonna be that bad, man. Drive safely. You know what I'm saying? Respect the car. Don't be trying to do 60 in the snow, especially with this car. Don't be trying to get 0 to 60 times and all that. Like, just drive safe, man. You'll be good. And then one of our subscribers, one of our supporters coming up right now too, man. He got a scat pack, white scat pack. He putting snow tires on that too. So it goes to show, man, you could do it, bro. People driving these kind of cars out in Canada, bro. DDE just put snow tires on his Ferrari and lowered it and drove it through the snow. Like, come on, bro. I could drive a Hellcat through the snow. This man could drive a Ferrari 458 in the snow. Easy. He got some good snow tires on it, which we gonna put on here today, some Blizzaks, and we good. And y'all heard them, man. They getting us in first. They gotta pull all the cars out, getting Jellycat in, and then we'll be next. But I'm gonna go in here and wait, man. It's type cold. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. My hands is freezing. I'm gonna go in here and wait until they get the scat pack, until they get Jellycat in. And I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Yo, that joint look chunky with them tires on there though. Yo, they just fit in the front.
100%.
I'm gonna land free down because these are good tractor tires.
Yo, that joint sit just right in the front too. Damn. Oh, I gotta clean my rims. Jesus. All right, bro. Appreciate you, man. Thank you, man. I got you. Tremaine. Ooh, that joint look crazy. Ooh, I like the way that joint sit in. My goodness, look at that. It took up some of that wheel gap though. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Yep.
It got rid of a lot of that wheel gap though.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, that's nice. Oh, we just gotta get her cleaned up real quick and we good to go. Yo, when I tell y'all this joint look chunky, oh my God, I love the way these tires look on this car. They look so good. Look at that back. Took up some of that wheel gap in there too. That's what I really like. So it's not as much wheel gap as it was in there before. And then up here, like, oh my God, it's cutting it really close up here in the front, but it just looks so good. Those tires are, yo, I don't know why I like the way these tires look on here so much. It should have came with some stock tires like that, man. Nice with a bigger sidewall. Yeah, man, it's step one again, prepping the car for winter. So got them tires on there. Yeah, those look pretty aggressive too, man. I like how those look. Those look pretty good. What's up, boss man? Damn. And they lined up with the fenders so well too. Yep, I'm happy, man. So $500 installed for all 4 tires. And it looked good, man. It looked so good. Yo, it's probably gonna be hard to tell on the camera, but man, it looked good, y'all. It definitely looks better. So what I'm about to do is, obviously I've never had snow tires on a rear wheel drive car before. First rear wheel drive car with snow tires. I want to go on a drive and see how these Blizzaks handle. So y'all stay tuned for the next video, man, because we finna go on a first drive with the Blizzaks on the car. So hopefully y'all like this video. Hey man, we got winners on the Hellcat, y'all. Winners on the Hellcat. Ooh, I'm hyped, son. But 275 45 20. That's the smallest you could go on the stock wide body rims, the 20 by 11s. 275, 45, 20. It's the smallest you can go. So again, they're gonna stretch them a little bit because the rim is 20 by 11, the tire is 10.8, but it'll handle fine. It'll fit on there just fine. As y'all can see, there's no problems with the car. There's no rubbing, no anything. There's clearance for the brakes. So everything's good, man. Everything, I'm just happy the way it came out. Like, I didn't think it was gonna look this good with those tires on there. Like, it just looks really good. I feel like honestly they should have came with a more chunky tire like this from factory. I know they like to keep that low pro look, but these look a lot better, So let's go on our first drive, man. Hopefully I enjoyed this video, man. You already know what time it is. Always get this backwards too. It's stay safe, man. Stay positive, stay motivated, man. I'm gonna see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.